Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I will guide you through the complete installation of Android Studio Ladybug 2024.2.2 on Windows, step by step. So let's get started. So first open your browser and search for Android Studio. Click on the first link, developer.android.com, which is the official website. Now just go to the download section. Here just click on download Android Studio Ladybug. Here just accept the terms and condition by marking the checkbox. Click on download Android Studio Ladybug 2024.2.2 for Windows. The file is around 1 GB. Now it is downloading. The file is around 1 GB. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. It will take some time. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder, double click on the .exe file to begin the installation. Let me minimize. Now a setup wizard will appear with an welcome message. Just click next. Here choose the components. Select Android Virtual Device (AVD), recommended for running apps on virtual emulator. Click next. Here you select the installation location. By default, Android Studio installs in C drive under Program Files. If you want to change the location, click Browse and choose your preferred directory. After that, just click Next and click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. It may take few minutes. Once it's done, just click Next. Mark Start Android Studio and click Finish. Android Studio will launch automatically. Now a pop-up appears asking to send usage statistics to Google. Click Don't Send. If required, Android Studio will search the SDK components in your system and it will install SDK. Click Next to continue. Now here it is saying to choose the installation type. I will recommend you to choose a standard. It is a default setting basically. And click Next. Now here you review the settings. Ensure you have at least 2.2 GB free space for SDK components. Click Next. Here you accept Android SDK license. Just go here, click Accept License for all and then Finish. Android Studio will now download SDK components. This process can take 20 to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed. Wait for it to complete. Once SDK installation is done, click Finish. The Welcome to Android Studio screen appears. Android Studio is now fully installed and ready to use. So you have successfully installed Android Studio on Windows. Now you are ready to start Android development. Have you any issue? Drop a comment below. If this tutorial helped, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.